Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. So today we are going to discuss one of the most beautiful concept in Java and also one of the most frequently asked interview question in any Java interview, like for any full stack development interview or backend interview, or sometime like you can ask in database, also same question it is asked in different way, but usually nowadays they are asking most of the into Java 8 logic, guys. So this is the like if you are going for any MNC interview anywhere, this question can be encountered, maybe in form of database or maybe in form of Java 8 coding, guys. So this is the question, guys. So how to show list of employees department wise or group by department? The question is very simple, guys. How to show list of employees department wise or group by department? So very simple question, guys. If in any company there are multiple department usually, like they will have IT department, they will have HR department, they will have finance department. So we have to show the list of employees department wise, like in HR how many employees are there, in IT how many employees are there, and also in finance how many employees are there, like this. This question is very simple, but they ask in very different way, like how to group by the employees, how to group by department wise, how to group by salary wise. Sometimes salary wise also we have to group by. But if you understand one logic only, simple one logic, you can understand, explain any way, like any group by you can explain, guys. So this question may be asked in database side also. We should know how to use in database query, how to use group by and hiding clause. But currently nowadays same question is getting asked in Java 8. So I will like explain you how to implement into Java 8 coding logic using stream API and using stream methods and collections, right? So the main logic is like is based on only two this line, guys. Main logic is these two lines, but for this first we have to understand like how we create list, like employee object and list of employees. Then we have to filter the employee details, or we have to group by the employee details after adding the whole list of employees. Okay. So let's moving to IntelliJ code, guys. I will show you by running the complete code end to end. I will explain you. So you can see, guys, here first I have taken like this employee by department class. This is the main class, driver class we can say. But here in this, mainly I have taken list of employees. This is the employee class, guys, employee, and I have taken list of employees first. So list of employees I have declared here this employee class. So in this employee, I have taken mainly employee ID, employee name, employee email, employee designation, employee department, employee salary. So sometimes they will ask group by department. Sometimes we can do also group by designation. Suppose how many developers are there, how many tech lead are there, how many directors are there. Like this group by designation also we can do. So this I have taken some constructor, augmented constructor and data setter methods, and just I have implemented two string method for printing the proper object data. Okay. So let's coming to the main class, guys. This is the main logic. I will explain you guys. So I have taken this employee list, like list employee list, new array list. After creating the list, I have added this employee details. First, I have taken employee ID 123, name on it, email. taken just simple dummy emails, guys. And designation I'm giving developer, department it is IT, and salary I'm giving this salary package, suppose 50 LPA. So here, if you see, guys, we have to group by this department. See, in this, see, if you three employees having different ID name, but they have department IT only. Three employee having IT department. So we have to group by how many like IT are there employees and how many HR and how many finance. Different departments. We have to show group by like in IT there are three employees, employee details like Amit, Makhan and Sarmila. They are in IT department. Same we have to show in HR department. We have Priyanka, Sunaina in HR department. So we will show the complete object from HR department. Okay. And now we have to see the finance department. Finance currently have only one employee, but they can be if it's a big organization, there can be like hundreds of employees. So we will group by this finance department. Then it will show this list of employees in finance department, guys. So after adding the those employee details, so I have implemented this logic. This is very simple logic, guys. But before that, we should understand the data of employees. Then you can implement very easily. Otherwise, if you some people are just writing only this line, and then they are getting confused multiple times. If you understand the data properly, then you can explain the logic very well, guys. So see here. So in this logic, this is only simple logic, guys. Only one line. I have implemented employee list dot stream dot collect collectors dot grouping by employee get department. Okay, but let's see one by one this what line it is saying. So first we are declaring one map string list of employee. We should understand why we are declaring this map because see in here if we see in IT itself there are three people IT currently three people but can maybe 100 people 500 people 1,000 people lakhs people also it can. So far that if we select this much artists, so we need one list to storing the all the types of uh, employees having. So that's why we are taking one list of employees. List of employees. We are taking list of employees because there will be multiple employees, more than one employee. Sorry. So it is having more than employees. That's why we are taking list of employees to store. And first we are taking string. Why we are taking string? Because string is a this department type. Department is IT and IT is only this string type only. IT is string. Either we check HR also string. Fine. Every like department is type of the department itself it a string. That's why we are taking one string and we are constructing one map, employee map, which will have this HR like department and this will have list of employees. This will have list of employees, guys. So after declaring this employee map, so we are just converting into employee list into stream. After converting stream, we are using collect method and collect it will use group by internally collectors dot group by and group by. See what is the return type of group by, guys. See group by is returning the list usually it will have depends on the map and list, guys. It will return map, sorry. Yeah, group by, usually the return type of group by is map, guys. Okay, so it will be having consistent like any type of like k, and this java dot util dot list, that particular type of list, guys. So, and now in this just we are calling by get reference method employee get department. This should be there. Here get department, like this method should be there into the employee by get getter method. It is calling this get department, guys. So it will call just, and here uh, we can do one more thing, guys, usually. Okay, so as of now we are now see, we got the group by department. Now we are just from the map we are like we are converting into set, and using for it just we are printing those employed by department wise. So let's say by running what will be the output, guys. See here, now it is printing the employee details. So this first it will have the finance department. There is only one employee. See, guys, only one employee in finance department. Okay, and we have HR. In HR there are two objects, guys. See, this is the employee uh, list. It is returning list only, guys. This parenthesis like uh, capital bracket is the list symbol of list, guys. And always the middle bracket is the symbol of object. One object will have, see, one object is this, and another object employee two is Sunaina, whose salary is 95 LPA. So this is the second object. And if we talk about the developer, so developer have, see, three objects, Amit and Makhan, and one more is there. See, Sharmila. So they have three objects, and the three objects are like IT. Sorry, they are the department from IT, guys. So likewise, this it is printing the group by department. Okay, so here, okay. So let's, if we want to print group by designation. Suppose we want to check the designation of employees, like how many are developer, how many are project manager, how many tech lead, how many directors, and CEO, like this. Okay. So for that, what I have to do, we will just here change this method only. Get department. It will we will change the get designation, guys. Get designation. Now see the result will be changed. How change? Like we have finance manager. This is the designation, guys. Designation, and this is the tech lead and director, project manager, developer, and CEO. So likewise, this will show the designation wise how many employees are there, designation wise. And this also we can do suppose here we have Like we can also count department wise, like in particular department how many employees are there, that also we can count. So we will explain in different videos, guys. That will be in a better way, guys. Okay. So that's all for today's topic, guys. Thank you so much for watching so far. Have a nice day, guys.